fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our first paycheck in February and going over our second paycheck. I am trying to play catch up so that I can get in the month that we're actually in, and I apologize for that. So if you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So guys, you will see some shadows in this video, and that is because it's cloudy outside, so I'm having to use some of my lighting in my office. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So in our budget from February the 7th through the 13th, in our expense category, we budgeted $425 for an extra payment, $196.52 for our car insurance, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $48 for our gym fee, $29.75 for Terminex, and $16.15 for Audible. That came up to $786.82. And in our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. So on the extra payment, I had to get new glasses, so that went on my eye exam and my glasses instead of going toward an extra payment, and I will discuss some of that at the end of the video. We budget $550 for our cash envelopes, $675 for our sinking funds, $150 for our savings challenges, $150 for backup funds, $100 for rollover, and $50 for our extra backup payment. That came up to $1,675. In our actual category, we spent $500 on our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $50, $675 in our sinking funds, $150 for our savings challenges, $150 for our backup funds, $100 for rollover, and $50 for our extra backup payment. That came up to $1,625, which was a savings of $50. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $3,668.95, minus the expenses of $786.82, minus the cash envelopes of $550, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenges of $150, minus the backup funds of $150, minus rollover of $100, and minus the extra backup money of $50. That left a remainder of $1,207.13. In our actual category, our income was $3,600.95, which was a difference of $68, minus the expenses of $786.82, minus the cash envelopes of $500, which was a difference of $50, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenges of $150, minus the extra backup money of $150, minus rollover of $100, and minus the extra backup money of $50. That left a remainder of $1,189.13, which was a difference of $18. In our budget from February the 14th through February the 22nd, in our expense category, we budgeted $195.31 for our chiropractor, $82.99 for YouTube TV, $55.64 for our home alarm, $24.83 for Netflix, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, $15.25 for YouTube Premium, $14.16 for Google Title, and $11.98 for Google YouTube. That came to a total of $416.35. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $100 for our backup funds, $100 for our rollover, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,180. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,703.12, minus the expenses of $416.35, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $100, minus the rollover of $100, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $106.77. So fam, as far as my extra payment money, I did have to go get an eye exam, and I did need glasses, which I knew I did need glasses. So that is where I took the money out to pay for my glasses and my eye exam, and I had a few other exams that I had them do that I had to pay out of pocket for. However, I will be going to see a consultant on the 25th of February so that I can see if I'm going to need a cornea donor transplant. I have some stigmatism, and my mom has it's a disease called Fuchs, I think it's called, which causes inflammation in the eye, and I had them do the test to see if I had it, and I do. So they're going to end up to see if I need the cornea donor transplant surgery. My mom has had it done, and it was a success. She can see clearly out that eye, whereas before she could not see very well out that eye. So just pray for me, keep me in your prayers, and hope that if I do have to have it, that it is a success. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.